So right now we just reached Planet Hollywood. We are supposed to hit into some biker, and right now we just entered, and they called Vaughan to check his bag, and they do this alternate days for some reason. What did they find in your bag, bro?
Bump, 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 bump. Nothing, guys. Just a usual routine checkup of my bike because they see all these tags, they see something this big, they'll obviously want to check.
I don't think it's ready, and we're just going to meet Mario and the others at the groom's room. Right now, we come in the room where Charles is editing the video. Boy slept at what time, Ray? Did you? 9. What time you woke up?
10:30.
Huh? 1.5 hours sleep. And he's running on 2 liters of Coke. I don't know how he did that. And one leg piece.
And Monster Energy.
Too much of caffeine. Caffeine overdose.
Charles is been drinking not just 750 ml Coke. How much Coke you drink?
2 liters. He drank.
2 liter he drank. Bro. No.
First bottle is half. Kau buy?
कोने के लिए रे ने?
But one thing, I was watching Max.
Watching.
I was watching this Max Amini or whatever his name is.
To him, he'll say it to me. Go, say the rest. This is why you're single. Nobody understands what you're saying.
Hello. Bhaiya.
Nice. You
Oh,
make good money.
bhaiya. I'm just sitting over here with my drone. I think our team members gave the video and going to get played soon. Currently, our video is going to get played and it's been edited by our dear friend Charles. First, I played with Vaughn an entire game. Now Evander is playing and then I played alone the pool. Also the event went well and good. It was fun. So now we are going to go and eat something in the restaurant. My battery was down, so I was not able to show you all the what's happening and all that. I was surviving on 5% battery and then automatically it went to 0. I am sweating actually, and right now I am wearing formal shoes, which is even worse because most of the time I wear my normal shoes. It's a running shoe, running walking shoe, I don't know. It's meant for comfort and good to wear it for a long time, and your feet, they don't hurt. But right now, since I'm wearing this formal shoes plus I played table tennis and then pool, it's hurting very badly. Currently there's an after party that's going on, so after that we need to go to a restaurant and just chill and eat something. So currently we have come here to eat Maggie, basically some food to eat. The boys are here vlogging. There's an after party going on and I just picked this up. The guests, they're amazing, and we got to eat also something. Right now it's around 12:40 and I had noodles, so I don't think that's filling, so we might have to go somewhere out to eat. This is something cool that I've seen because it's an after party. I think that's why they gave this. So right now I'm walking towards the car to pick up the laptop so that we can do some data transfer. I just shifted to the most comfortable footwear that ever exists, and it is Crocs, because I could not do with the formal shoes, and believe me, my feet was hurting badly. Hopefully we go to eat some leg piece or something at least. Otherwise the noodles what I ate so far, it is fine. No complaints. It was actually good compared to what food we eat at destination weddings. Finally done with the 5 days wedding, and we did go to eat chicken leg piece. It was not that great. Anyways, right now it is 3:50. It's almost about 4 and I'm heading back home. Gonna take a nice shower and just go and sleep. Oh yeah, I need to check if one of my campaigns started spending or no, because tomorrow if my client wakes up, she needs to know that it's live. Hope you'll like the video. So share it with a friend and subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video. Peace.